Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys these super cute Valentine's Day clusters. And what it really is just like an embellishment with tons of layering. And these can be used on your happy mail projects or scrapbook layouts, or just to give to your pen pals as a goodie. And today I'm going to be showing you guys the 4 that I made. And then I'm also going to be making one with you guys, so you guys can see how simple it is to just throw together something so cute like this. So let me bring up each of the ones that I made so you guys can kind of see what each little cluster has. So we're going to start off with this one. And let me fix the focus. Okay, and now in this little cluster, we have like a cute little vintage ticket. We have some enamel dots, some heart stickers, this cute little wooden button, some gold paper as a page flag, some lace ribbon as a bow, a tab, some labels, little paper flowers, wood veneer hearts, felt hearts, and look how cute that looks, you guys. Isn't this the cutest? I love this one. This is probably my favorite one. The next one is also like a cute little ticket on the back, more labels, tabs, and page flags, stickers, enamel dots. I have this cute little arrow right there. You can almost put anything you have laying around on these little clusters. This one right here also has tickets and page flags, word stickers. I even placed a little piece of trim, a little paper flower. We have a little button, some stickers, and enamel dots as well. And then the last one is some more. We have another ticket in the back, a little piece of like washi, some labels, word stickers. Sorry if you hear a helicopter above. I don't know if you guys get to hear that because I put music, but I hear it so loud. So I think you guys hear it. But anyway, that's a little wood veneer flower, a paper flower. We have a little wood veneer in the back, a little heart sticker, another little puffy heart sticker. So yeah, you guys, that's the last one that I made. Oops. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the focus back down so you guys can see what I do. Hopefully it went back down and you guys can see clearly. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay, so these are just some little pieces of paper that I took out that I want to use for my next little cluster. So I'm going to move these back and move these papers up. So what I want to start off with is like a paper like this, a little my base. And what I like to do is, let me see if I find my, oh, here it is. Just to give it a little something, I punch a little hole on each side, make it like a little ticket. And then what we're gonna do is I kind of want to layer this like that on the back, and maybe this one on this side. And then once I get a good amount of cluster, I use my tiny attacher. So I'm thinking this one right here, and then this pink one right here. And then maybe a little tab. Well, I think I want to put a little bit of mint green in there too, so we'll put the mint green right here. And then just because there's already a lot going on here, I'm already going to do my little staple so it doesn't move anywhere. And so far we have a little cluster going, and now I can just decide where I want to put like the little tab. I want the tab right here. I also found this cute little, we can do that right there. I don't know if I like this tab here. And I don't know if I like to make it more straight. Okay. So I'm thinking I can put maybe that right there, and then we can do a little kiss me tab right there, or I'm trying to think how I want this. Hopefully you guys can see. Oh, maybe I can put the cute little girl here, but I definitely wanted to do the tab under here. Yes, that I definitely do want. So I'm just gonna add a little hot glue to that. And I'm gonna place the little tab right underneath here, because I'm gonna put the word "too cute" right above it. And then we're gonna add some little hearts right back here. Also gonna add some like enamel dots. Put one right there. A little tiny one back here. And then I'm thinking I want to put this little flare instead of the button right there. Look, you guys. See how cute that is? Just a little scraps put together, and then you can just place this on any of your projects. You can add little flowers to it as well. I'm thinking maybe I want, oops, sorry for the shakiness. Maybe I want to put like a little flower. Let me get a little flower. We can probably put a little flower right there next to the "too cute." Yes, I like that. So I'm gonna add this. And then we're gonna add a little enamel dot in the center with that little blue, since I have the little blue on the top. You guys see how cute that came out? And how simple it is. You just use whatever you have laying around to make the cute little clusters. And yeah, you guys, that's how simple these are. They're super fun to make for Valentine's Day. Fix the focus. I'm always fixing the focus. But yeah, you can put anything. You can put little acrylic flowers. These little labels, they have tons of printables on Pinterest. You can put anything and make them however you like. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys create some of these. If you do, let me know down below. And if you guys want to see something specific from me, also please let me know down below. I try to comment back, or at least like the comment on all my videos. So I definitely see all your comments. Thank you guys so much for all the love. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you can get notified when I do all my uploads. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.